Hello and welcome to Political Science 398, Advanced Political Science Methods. I am Professor Vandusky Allen. In this course, you will learn how to use advanced statistical methods in political science research. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the course's Blackboard site. The first link you should be familiar with is the course syllabus and schedule link. If you click on the syllabus and schedule link on the left-hand menu here, you can access the syllabus and schedule. I am not going to go through the entire syllabus and schedule in this video. You should read the syllabus and schedule on your own. Please note that my contact information is at the top of the syllabus. If you email me or post something on a discussion board for me, I will respond back to you within 24 hours. Now I'm going to talk about course modules. Each week in this course, you will be responsible for completing certain tasks. You can find your weekly assignment responsibilities under each module. You can access the modules by clicking the modules link on the left-hand side menu here. Modules for a particular week will appear the Saturday before the week begins. Right now, you should only have access to Module 0 and 1. Module 0 is meant to help you get familiar with the course site. Module 1 is the first module with course content. When you open a module for the first time, you should always read the module introduction and due dates for weekly assignments. It gives you a module overview, learning objectives, and the due dates for assignments, which are all due at Mountain Time. The assignments in this class include reading assignments, lectures, learning check assignments, lecture discussion boards, group study guides, homework assignments, lab assignments, tests, and a semester-long research project. If you go back to the module, all of the assignments are listed on the main module page in the order in which they are due. With respect to reading assignments, I obviously cannot monitor if you read the book or not. However, you are strongly encouraged to read by the recommended time on the module schedule. With respect to lectures, I will give you several lecture links each week. The lecture video in sections, the lecture slides, and a link to the lecture discussion board. The lectures are posted on YouTube. The lectures in this course will be divided up into sections, and after watching each section, you will have to complete a brief learning check assignment before you move on to the next section. If you are able to print out PDF documents, you should use the lecture slides I provide on Blackboard to take notes. If you have any questions about the lecture, please post them on the lecture discussion board. Next, each week, you will be responsible for contributing to a group study guide. I have assigned you to a specific group before the semester began. Please read the guidelines for completing group study guides document to find out how to properly answer your study guide questions with your group. In order to complete your study guide assignment, select the groups link from the left-hand menu here. Select the link to the group you have been assigned to for this course. You should only be able to access one group. Click Group Wiki to get to the study guide. Read the study guide questions for the particular week you are focusing on. Decide amongst your group who will answer the questions for that particular study guide. Each student should only answer one question per week. There's an email link in your group page that you can use to email each other. When you are ready to answer your question, go back to the group wiki, click Edit Wiki Content, place the answer to your question in the study guide, put your name next to your answer, click Submit. If you notice an incorrect or partially correct answer to another question, you may correct it. Put your name next to your answer. Your participation in the group study guide is graded based on your own answers. Next, homework assignments are located in the appropriate modules. Make sure to read the directions carefully before completing homework assignments. Next, you will be responsible for completing lab assignments through a program called SPSS. You must use the campus computers to access SPSS, or you must purchase the program on your own. You can read more about SPSS in the syllabus and in Module 0, Getting Started. When you have a lab assignment due, I will provide 3 links for you: the lab video, a safe assignment upload link, and the SPSS datasets. The first lab video goes over how to use basic functions in SPSS. If you ever forget how to open or use SPSS, you should rewatch the Lab 1 video. All the other videos will focus on how to run these statistical analyses for the particular lab you are focusing on. Also note that you must complete your lab assignment in a Word document and upload them to Safe Assignment to complete the assignment. After a particular lab is due, I will post the correct answers in the discussion board. Note, you can work on your homework and lab assignment with your group. The other assignments you will need to do for this course are exams and a semester-long research project. When those assignments are due, you will find instructions on how to complete them in the appropriate module. Note that when you complete an assignment and I grade it, it will appear in your My Grade section. Also note that you will always know your grade in this course if you look at the final grade given current work value in your My Grade section. Last, if you have any questions about the course content, please post them under the discussion board, in course questions, or email me. If you have any technical questions about Blackboard, please click on the Blackboard help link on the left-hand side of the screen.